Good morning, class. My name is Eric Brass. I am going to start off by sharing this screen with you. All right, so this is our physics class. The primary thing that I want to get you guys on board with is the following. These are some of the assignments that I'm expecting you to do today, and that's look at the course overview. Real easy, real quick. It's just going to give you some information. And then looking at your mechanics and Newton's laws. This is the weekly overview. And so these are the sections of the book that I'm expecting you to read, okay? You actually have some presentations here as well that you can look at and some other resources. Let me see, I'm just gonna go ahead and go forward. So here we have a vocabulary exercise that I want you to do as well. And then we have some definitions. So I'm asking you, what are descriptive statistics and inferential statistics? How are they using your career field and academic field? So you may use the web or use the online library. This one will not be found in your book. All right, so these are kind of like a little bit outside. So Pythagorean theorem, the same kind of deal. I want you to define it. I want you to go and look it up for yourself. Try to ingest that central limit theorem, on and on and on. So I'm going to go ahead and go back down, and you'll see that those are some of the first few assignments that I have for you today. Fairly easy, fairly quick. It's not going to be difficult at all. And then tomorrow, I'm expecting you guys to do the following. I want you to open up the lecture here, and it's a Zoom lecture. And basically in this Zoom lecture, I'm talking about concepts, primitives, and axioms. All right, so you'll see me there. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop this right now. And I'm going to go back to modules. So what you need to do is you want to look at both of those. You want to look at that lecture. I actually have lecture notes here, so you can open up the lecture notes there in OneDrive. You can copy them over. They might ask you to sign in and all of that stuff, which makes sense. I can just say open in browser. So these are some of the things that I'm talking about: concepts, primitives, things like this, axioms. So make sure you look at the video. It'll help you a tremendous amount when it comes to solving the next few assignments. So you'll see assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, assignment 4, and assignment 5. Expect you guys to get those completed by tomorrow. So just make sure you are working on those. And then we have a similar pattern. We have another video and then some lecture notes, and I have another assignment here. We have trigonometric functions. I have another assignment. We have the unit circle. I have another assignment, set of assignment. And then on campus, I have lecture 5, trigonometric functions, and then you have these following sets of assignments. Now, do your best to finish all of this by Friday. That would be great. And if for some reason you can't get to everything, just go ahead and finish it. You know, week two is going to be the week of Christmas. So we have laws of thermodynamics. You'll see that we have the weekly overview, guided practice, laws of thermodynamics, temperature, conservation of energy, internal energy. All of that is on the 21st. And even does gravity exist? 21st. Initial velocity, 21st. And then I have you look at the conservation of energy and the universe. This should be the initial, this should be the conservation of energy as well, where you see initial velocity copy. I'll change that. Then you have Bernoulli's principle and Bernoulli's principle verification. All of that I'm expecting to be done by the 22nd. As you can see, there's no on-campus participation. I want you to stop at this point. Just don't do any more work, okay? It's time for Christmas break. It's time for vacation. I'm not expecting you to do anything during vacation, okay? Now, week 3, when we come back, that's going to be on January the 4th. January the 4th, I'm expecting you to get back into your assignments. I need you to submit these first few assignments on the 4th, okay? And then on the 5th, you have a few more assignments, all right? So, and then on the 6th, you have assignments. On the 8th, you have assignments for, on-class activity and on-campus participation. And that will be it for that particular week. The 4th week, we should be kind of back into the same flow of things. You'll see that we have things due on the 10th and then the 11th, 12th, all the way out to the 15th, January 15th. All right. So this is work that I'm expecting to be done. And then we have our 5th week. Okay. So you'll see that I just have a few assignments during that week. Okay. Try to stay on pace, try to stay on track. I need you to submit assignments during the week, each week, except the Christmas break. Don't do any work during the Christmas break. And that's it.